A tree whose flowers are used in the manufacture of perfume. What an amazing tree it is. Introducing ilang-ilang Cananga odorata of the family Anonaceae. The genus name Cananga comes from the Malay word Cananga, which refers to the tree. The species name odorata is derived from Latin meaning fragrant or scented, refers to the fragrant flowers of the tree. Ilang-ilang is a large evergreen tree known for its very fragrant flowers. Its wood is locally used for general construction, turnery, canoes, boxes, tea chest, and plywood making. The wood is also suitable for clogs and net floaters. The wood of ilang-ilang has the potential for making small drums and matchsticks and is sometimes used as fuels. Oils extracted from this tree can treat various infectious diseases, acne, and scalp conditions. A decoction of its bark is used for rheumatism, ophthalmia, ulcers, and fevers. Its fragrant flowers make lace and hairdresses. Ilang-ilang is one of the most extensively used natural materials in the perfume industry, earning in the name Queen of Perfumes. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.